What a wonderful world. What a wonderful.
Yeah, I can never focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing? If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love.
So many of you asked me that from where you can prepare for NEET UG absolutely free of cost. I recently came across this app called Prep Ladder, from where you can prepare for the competitive exams by India's top faculties. If you want to really crack NEET, then you can definitely use Prep Ladder. When you will enter the app, it will ask for an invite code, and the invite code is AKSHARA, which is Akshara. By entering my code, you will have the access to the premium content of NEET UG Prep Ladder for 5.5 months. Isn't it way too amazing? After 5 months, you can purchase the package if you wish. The teachers of Prep Ladder are way too amazing. They explain each and every topic nicely. The topics explained by them becomes crystal clear. I personally prefer Prep Ladder to all the NEET UG aspirants out there.
Myself K. Medda, your botany faculty for NEET UG on Prep Ladder.
Hello everyone, I am Rohit Manro, your physics educator on Prep Ladder.
Hello guys, hello everyone, myself Amit Rana, AR sir, ex-HOD Chemistry, Resonance Quota, now associate with Prep Ladder.
Hi, myself Dr. Abhishek Singh, and I am a zoology educator at Prep Ladder.
Hello friends, my name is Indranil Brahma. On Prep Ladder platform, I will teach you physics for NEET UG.
Hello dear students, this is Gaurav Tiwari, your chemistry mentor.
Hello dear students, I am Vikram Singh, your mentor in chemistry.
Let me introduce you guys to the amazing faculty of Prep Ladder. Botany is taught by Kailash Midha sir. He is well known for his exceptional teaching style. He has an MDS and MSc Botany with 15 plus years of teaching experience. He has also worked as a center head at the well-renowned coaching institute. Zoology is taught by Dr. Abhishek Singh. He is a gold medalist as well as an MDS and also a brilliant teacher who has cracked the NEET 3 times. He has produced several All India ranks as well. Let's come to physics. Physics is taught by Rohit Manro sir. He makes the concept super easy to understand. His way of explaining topics is literally so amazing. And the second teacher of physics is Indranil Brahma sir. Over 18 years of experience he is having. He has worked with well-renowned NEET coaching centers and has assisted students to reach their goal. Chemistry is taught by Vikram Singh sir with 18 plus years of teaching experience and has enabled 9,000 students to go past the gates of medical colleges across the India. Chemistry is taught by Gaurav Tiwari sir, mentored more than 11,000 students and produced several top scorers in NEET UG. His way of teaching had made me fall in love with chemistry. Amit Rana sir, he is an ex-HOD chemistry mentored 60,000 plus students, and has produced several All India ranks. They have 150 plus years of combined teaching experience and are considered the best faculty for their subject in the country. Prep Ladder not only has the best faculty, but it also has mock test and other online test series. Attempting these test series will boost up your confidence and will prepare you for the NEET UG examination. I also want to introduce you guys to Prep Ladder NEET Question Bank. To increase your score in exam, Prep Ladder has came up with topic-wise question bank. All the topics which are taught in the videos are covered in the question bank. It not only consists of questions related to the video, but also beyond it. The number of questions covered in question bank are over 23,000 plus, and none of them are repeated. It not only has image based question, but it also has several video based questions. Their difficulty level is same as of NEET. You also have features like timer, bookmark to do more thorough practice. Prep Ladder even has previous year MCQ of NEET, AI, PMT.
Baby, could you help me, 'cause I'm freezing.